The team continues their discussion of where S&OP fails to create value. Ron joins the conversation.
Daniel, when you present the supply plan, do you include financial figures?
No, that's for the finance guys.
Actually, that's everyone's concern. We in finance can work with you, but you need to bring good data.
What kind of data?
Well, when you propose to increase the supply plan for Comfort Maxes, what I really care about is how much extra it's going to cost to buy components, manufacture, and transport them.
And then my guys in marketing can determine how much revenue the extra production will generate.
At that point, we can see the extra profit we'd make by the increased supply plan, which is what I'm really interested in.
So you see, Daniel, balancing supply and demand is a supply chain issue, but we need to make S&OP about financial impact.
Daniel sees that to create business value, S&OP must analyze the financial impact of its proposals.